What if migrating your business number to a new system was a piece of cake? With Retell AI, it's not just possible, it can be straightforward. Today, let's explore how to port your number, enabling you to retain your connections and use Retell's smart tools instantly. Head to your Retell AI dashboard to locate the port number feature often found under the Numbers or Settings section. This is your starting point. Look for a button that has the words "add a number" or something of similar meaning. Filling out the porting form requires info about your existing number. This consists of your phone number, account number with your present carrier, and the account owner's name and billing address. Double-check your current carrier's name. Always confirm all details to avoid any snags. Submitting the form confirms your number port request. The Retell AI dashboard confirms your request receipt. Number porting times fluctuate, usually taking a few days up to several weeks depending on your current provider complexity. Monitor your dashboard regularly for updates, and Retell AI will send you notifications on how it is progressing. A number active confirmation will appear once your number is successfully ported. Congratulations! Test your ported number by calling and receiving a call to verify it works. Then, enjoy the seamless integration with Retell AI's tools, such as automated call replies and schedule management and all the other AI-driven features. Congratulations on your move.